Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Last video we made a kill brick. So in this video we are going to be making the checkpoint so then people don't get really frustrated if they fall off near the end of the obby. Just start by placing a part, then rename it to checkpoint, then add a script to it, then go in the properties and when we want to rename the script checkpoint script. So once we have all that done, first we want to say local block is equal to script.parent. Then we want to put block.touched connect function, then parentheses. We want to put part as the parameters because we are touching the part which connects it. Then hit enter a few times. And then after that, we want to write if part dot parent find first child. Then we want parentheses, quotes, then humanoid. Let's just give ourselves a little room. Then local player equals game dot players colon get player from character, then part.parent. Then we just want to write a few more variables here. Local checkpoint data equal to game.server storage find first child quotation marks checkpoint data. We want to write if not checkpoint data, then let's give ourselves a little bit of space here. Want to write checkpoint data is equal to instance dot new parentheses quotation marks model comma game dot server storage. Then I think we just have one more line of code here, which is checkpoint data dot name is equal to quotation marks checkpoint data. So this is the first part, and in part 2 we are going to be finishing the rest of this checkpoint script so then we can have it fully done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.